Hey traders, what's going on? Monday, April 3rd, 9:09 a.m. and these are your morning ideas. Okay, so the market makes you look foolish a lot of times. Well, Friday I think it made us look pretty good. We drew this red line. It was up here. We had moved it down, looking for the market to extend to 4130, and that's exactly where it got. And you can see that overnight. Let's do this. We have a market that it's probably delayed because I got to update the day. No, it's in real time. Okay, so we have a market that's trading right on top of that. After we closed on Friday, you can see here what we've done overnight is just kind of gone back and forth. I'm going to turn on the volume profiles so you can see a nice little balance overnight here. Boom, there we are. Really nice Gaussian bell-shaped curve. Trade 4130. This is exactly what we expect as the market gets to this big area and we try to push above. Okay, so you can see that there's a little bit of a hole in the profile, and that's really the cutoff to me, but from this distribution to the distribution up here. So I think that this is an important morning because if we can push higher, then we'll likely push up towards 4,200, which is kind of the middle of this distribution where it gets really fat, and chop around in there on the way all the way up to 4,250. Now, if we got to look at what we have on the news front this week, and if we go to the week and we apply the settings, you can see that we got quite a bit of stuff here. We have non-farm payrolls on a Friday at 8:30. That's a real big one. And then we have unemployment claims on Thursday. I mean, there are things that can move the market this week, so something to keep an eye on as we're in this higher interest rate, hiked rate, high inflation kind of market. These are the things that have been moving it. CPI numbers, and then that in turn, or the jobs number reflects how fast they can hike the interest rates to keep inflation going, inflation under control, excuse me. So we do have some stuff on the agenda this week that we need to look out for, but we are once again out of the middle of the profile and moving towards the edge. Now, we will eventually break out of this area. Now, if you've been playing breakouts, you've been getting your beat up in this area because you get to the edges and then it falls back into the middle. Then it comes down, looks like it's going lower, then it comes back into the middle. So I am not ready to say that this thing is ready to just break out. I think that you got to be careful anytime anytime you're playing any of those breakouts. Now, if you're looking at the 4-hour, last time we were up here, we're trading right in the middle of the balance last time we were up here. And again, this is pointing to more of 4180, 4200 area that I was talking about when we're looking at the big picture. That 4200 would be the next. 4197 would be the next big number above. So that kind of coincides. You get that confluence of what we're seeing on the daily versus the 4-hour. And then when we look at the 15-minute, we're just looking at, just today. Nice balanced profile. I wouldn't be surprised to see some continuation from Friday and to start pushing towards those areas, okay? We do have some stuff this week. Today is the last day for the $1 Million Madness. You have to pick the winner of the team. We're giving away free pro accounts, so make sure you enter that by tonight. It is I can't even think off the top of my head who's playing right now. It's UConn versus San Diego State. Pick the team that's going to win. Go back to the YouTube video where I announced it. Pick the team that's going to win. If you pick the team right, you're entered in to win the free pro account. Also, we will be doing a watch out for if you're a new trader, we're doing a new trader series where we're talking all about the fundamentals of ticks and points and what all that means later this week. I believe that's on Wednesday. So there's a lot of stuff coming here, guys. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you guys have a great week. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll see you throughout the week.